Hello everyone, welcome to our channel, the Digital Institute of Computing Technology. In this presentation, we will have discussion on the topic conditional constructs in C. The instructions in a program execute sequentially one after the another. What if there is a requirement to execute an instruction or skip an instruction based on some condition? To handle such requirements, C provides conditional constructs. Let's try to understand this. Say, you want to perform an action if a particular condition is true. To support such requirement, we have something called as conditional constructs in C. The syntax of such a conditional construct is if expression statement. If the expression is true, the following statement executes, otherwise not. Example, say we have two variables in a program and some action must be performed when both are equal. If x is equal to a particular action must be performed. This is nothing but decision making. We make use of conditional constructs such as if to make decisions in a program. In this example, we have handled only one possibility, the scenario when the condition is true. If both the possibilities have to be handled, then if statement will take the following form. If the expression is true, statement 1 executes and performs action 1, and if the expression is false, statement 2 executes and performs action 2. In the example, what we discussed last, we checked for equality. If x is not equal to a, in such a case, x can either be less than a or greater than a. So there are three possibilities. S could be less than a, s could be greater than a, or x could be equal to a. To handle these three possibilities, the if statement will take the following form. If expression statement 1, else if expression statement 2, etc. as shown, and the block ends with else statement. If x is less than a, take action 1. If x is greater than a, take action 2. If x and a are equal, take action 3. The goto construct will enable transferring control to some labeled statement. The syntax is as shown. If the expression is true, the goto statement will execute and transfer the control to label, which is statement 3. If the expression is false, the normal flow continues by executing statement. If x is equal to a, transfer control to label 1. If x is not equal to a, transfer control to label 2. Take action 1 at label 1. Take action 2 at label 2. After completing action 1, to skip action 2, goto is used once again to transfer control to end label. This is a simple example of how to use a goto statement in a C program. Let's consider one more simple example with a combination of if, else, if and goto. This program receives and validates whether a number falls in the range 1 to 100. Any number less than 1 or greater than 100 is considered as an out of range number. And the program will throw an error out of range. Any number with a value 0 is considered as invalid, and program will throw an error invalid input. In all other cases, the number is considered valid. To handle each of this condition, there is a label statement, and when a particular condition satisfies, the goto will transfer the control to the corresponding label. Let's test the program with some input. Enter a number between 1 and 100. Say you entered 50. The program outputs valid input and it ends. Enter a number between 1 and 100. You enter 150. Program outputs error. The number is out of range. Now, let's write a program to map the name of the day in a week with its position in the week. For example, the user inputs a number and the program outputs the day of the week. If the input is 1, the day is Monday. If the input is 2, the day is Tuesday. If the input is 7, the day is Sunday. If the input is other than 1 to 7, the program outputs an error. This program can be implemented using an if-else-if construct as shown. Also, we can use switch construct in place of if-else-if construct in order to solve this problem. The syntax of the switch construct is as shown. The input to the switch statement is an expression. The value this expression returns determines which case in the switch block will execute. Every case statement has an associated constant value. When the expression output matches this value, the action in the matched case will be executed. The program to map the name of the day in a week with the number can be implemented using a switch construct as shown. Based on the value of x, the matched case will execute and print the day of the week. If the value of x is other than 1 to 7, the control reaches to the default case and the program outputs an error. Hope you liked and enjoyed the presentation. Remain connected with us by subscribing to this channel for latest updates on this channel. Thank you.